Hey everybody. So you guys have all observed salt dissolving. We talked about that for weeks. But now you're going to observe how matter melts. So you can answer our focus question, which is, what's the difference between dissolving and melting? You guys will end up developing two models for these different processes. Today, you'll be observing solid materials.
In this cup, I'm going to put 4 materials. I have a little piece of birthday candle, a small pebble, a chocolate chip, and a little piece of butter. I also have some hot water, and this is about 60 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to use this hot water as a heat source. So here I have a large container, half a liter, and I'm going to pour some hot water in this container. This water is a little dark because it was from the coffee pot. Okay, now I'm just going to put the plastic cup with all the materials in there down in the hot water, and we're going to observe what happens. I'll show you what happens. Hang on. Okay, this is about 30 seconds in, and we're a little higher than 60 degrees Celsius. Hang on, that's better. So we're right at 65 degrees Celsius. And this is what it looks like. Okay, and now I'm going to poke each one. I'm going to take the cup out of the water, and I'm going to poke each one with a toothpick. Okay, so it's been about a minute, and I'm going to take the cup out of the water, and one at a time I'm going to touch each item with a toothpick so we can observe what happened to the material. So stay tuned. Okay, the toothpick was too small and you could only see my hand in the cup, so I'm gonna try this big wooden stick. We'll see what happens. So the butter melted. I'm gonna poke the pebble now. Not much has happened. Now I'm gonna poke the candle. Oh, it's very squishy, and it kind of broke apart, you can see. And the chocolate chip. Oh. Chocolate chip melted a little bit. It's kind of squishy.
Here are some questions for you to answer. What changes did you observe? What were the effects of the heat on the solid? Which materials melted? How do you know when a solid material has melted?
All of the materials started as a solid, but what caused some to melt? What might you be able to do to get the rock to melt? What materials did not melt?